Right guys, welcome back to the best crypto YouTube channel there is on the whole of YouTube. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you want that 10k to 100k challenge, comment down below. Only one person's done it. I might actually link my Twitter down below as well. I might start posting more often, maybe the abbreviations of what I've done in the charts here. So yeah, just follow my Twitter. Why not? Okay, so Bitcoin, yeah. So we were yesterday. I said I would ideally like to see this weekly close above here. That would be nice because that means we're still trading inside these weekly candles. We've got deviations both sides, and then this is a stop this week. Stop around here, here on some exchanges, and these on some exchanges as well. Okay, so that means all buying liquidity now is technically stopped out. So if you flip the chart, that means we just keep wicking and wicking and wicking there, which means I would expect a push up. If this week closes bullish, so that would be there, then I would expect a run to 42k, and then if 42k gets reclaimed, then we push up, down in this instance, to 50k. So that's what I'm expecting, okay? So that's it for Bitcoin. That's it. So yesterday, I said, if this range low gets reclaimed here, then we'll push up into this grey box, and then if this grey box gets reclaimed, then we'll push up into 0.5 or this consolidation area here, and that's exactly what we've done. So I'll post that up there somewhere, okay? I'll post that up there where I said that. So what am I looking for now? Was this a short squeeze? So I'm in two frames of mind really. Was this a short squeeze and a bearish retest, or is this a bullish spring and we push higher? Okay, so these are the two scenarios I'm looking at. So right now, these are the range lows technically. If I said if this gets reclaimed on a daily basis, then we could potentially push higher. So we've done that. Okay, this got reclaimed. We pushed higher up into here, which is that consolidation period. Now I've stopped out all my longs. I took the profits, and I'll wait for the market to tell me what it wants to do next, because it was getting too risky for me to hold the long, so I cut them. I know we're in profit, so anyway, so that's what I did there. As I said, I'm in two frames of mind right now. Is this a bearish retest? Is this the range lows? Say this is the daily range, yeah? Come down, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, fake out, yeah, fake out, break back in the range, retest, run the highs, yeah, and then nuke to the other side, support, breakout, retest, continuation. Is it that? I don't know yet. Or is it a support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, run the highs, breakout, and is this the fake out? I don't know. Okay, so that's what I'm waiting to see. If this is the fake out, that means we should not get back below this level here. Okay, that means we've come outside the range again, and that just proves to me that that was a retest to continue lower. That's what I'm looking for. If we get back below here, this level here, we shouldn't get back below there if we are bullish. So that means we are bearish, and we want to continue lower. Okay, down to at least here, and then run these stops probably. So that's what I'm expecting, because this was a short squeeze. Everyone and then Am was bearish here, so we squeezed up into this level. I said 34k, sorry, 35k potentially. So yeah, if this is the bullish spring and the fake out as I was expecting, then where do I get back on board? Because I've took the profits now. where do I get back on board? I get back on board above this midpoint here. I'll show you on the other chart in a minute, but this is where I would look to long, a reclaim of this level and push up into this level here. That is what I'm looking for if this is bullish, okay? So that's the cleaner chart, okay? So the two, and this is the messier chart, as you say, but it's not that messy. So we tagged the yearly open and we had a reaction off it into here. And as I said, I longed a reclaim of the range low, push up into 33k, and if this grey box gets reclaimed, then we will push up into this consolidation area here, or the 0.5. And as it looks, we pushed up into the consolidation period here. And so that's my move done. I've taken my profits, I'm done. I've already shown you why I took that trade on that theory, okay? So we go down on the lower time frame, and you can see how the 0.5 has acted as a pivot this whole time, which means the momentum, when it's on above, when it's above the 0.5, that shows the momentum is to the upside, and when it is below the 0.5, it shows that momentum is to the downside. Cool. So what does that mean right now for me? If the 0.5 gets reclaimed, which is 35.5k-ish, so mainly these swing highs, if we come up here, retest that, then I expect price to push up into here. Obviously these highs, bit of a wonky line. 38k, I'll take some profit. Then if that gets reclaimed, then you can add on whatever you want to do, however you trade, whether you're risk on or risk off, into the 40ks and 42ks. That's what I would look for. And then if the 41k range high gets reclaimed, then we push up into 50k. 50k. Yeah? Cool. So this is what I'm looking for. If now this is the bearish retest, yeah? We shouldn't really get back below this grey box. Okay. So if we get back below this grey box, then that's your shorting opportunity to the range lows. Yeah. That is what I'm looking for. If this is bearish, then we should get back below this to the range lows. And then obviously if we break the range lows, then that's another opportunity to the yearly open or this swing low here. That one. Okay? So that's what I'm looking for. Bullish, I will look for longs above the 0.5 up to here. Don't buy, because this is not, I don't want to buy resistance, okay? So that's why I wait for the flip. That's why I wait for it to be broken through and retested, okay? So, and this is kind of what I want to see. If we are bullish, I want to see a fast sell-off into this level here, and then obviously push higher. So I want to see, if this is bullish, I want to see fast sell-off and then push up. That's what I want to see, okay? I don't want to see, I don't like it how it's just been chop, 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 getting rid of bulls and bears. So bulls and bears, I'm not liking it. It's just crabbing. It's crabbing sideways, okay? We want to see, I wanted to see a fast sell-off into this level here, and then start to push up. Give it an opportunity so no one can get on board unless they buy these moves. And not many people would like to buy those moves because it looks like it's selling off aggressively. So yeah. Cool. And now if you want to look for longs, I would wait for a reclaim of here to here. And then for shorts, I would like to see this a breakdown, and then when this grey box is now resistance, you can see it capping the upside like this, where we broke through resistance. That's where you enter, looking for the range lows. Resistance, looking for the range lows. Okay, so that's what I'll be looking for. Longs above here, shorts below this, and the retest. You don't want to buy it. You don't want to buy this, say, if it goes like this and then it gets back below, that's where you would cut the longs and then look for shorts, because it's now resistance, especially if it fakes out. Because that's what this would be. This would be the fake out, break back below, and then down to there. That's only if we get back below, okay? If we don't, then expect price to push up here, into here, carry on. But for somebody who's learning, I would say long a reclaim of this, because that means the higher probability play is in your favor, because the momentum is to the upside. And when this level breaks, it means that the momentum is to the downside, because you've got resistance. It's tried to reclaim it, but it's failed to reclaim it. So that's where you would enter your short down to the range lows. Okay, that's what I look for. On Bitcoin, and obviously if the range lows break, then that's just shorting down to yearly open, and then yearly open down wherever. Goblin Town, that's where we go in if that breaks. And where's Goblin Town? It is probably here. There's nothing to keep it afloat, and then the next area is there. So that's that for Bitcoin. Ideally, I would like to see the... Okay, so we're on a 12 hourly. See, that's okay. If we retest and hold above this grey box, then that's absolutely fine. Then I can expect momentum to the upside, up here. Okay, that's where you would take it long on a reclaim of that to here. Or you can say the up move that led to the down move. Okay, there you go. Then, yeah. Just see what's starting to cap the upside. I would say this area here, then this area here, and then if this gets reclaimed, then continue higher. Then so the two options are: is this a short squeeze, which means everyone and their nan was bearish down here. Short squeeze would mean we push price up into this level here, and if we get back below here, then that proves to me that this was a short squeeze. Okay, I'm letting the market tell me what it wants to do, rather than me forcing the market. So once it gets back below this grey box, that proves to me that this was a short squeeze, and I can enter where shorters get liquidated, and then the momentum is to the downside, and target in lower. Or if this is a bullish spring, like the wick-off system, then that's why we wait for longs above 35, 36k up to 40,000. Okay, 41, 42. I can't tell you right now until I see price action develop, because if we go straight up, then I would expect that to cap the upside. But if we come up, retest their levels, then the move has got more energy in it, because we've took some people out. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, they're the two areas I'm looking at right now. In a simple version: longs above the midpoint to there, shorts below there to the range lows. Okay, it's as simple as that. So that's that for Bitcoin. What we're looking at on Ethereum. So this level here, which is the midpoint between here and here, the 0.75, that level there, is now capping the upside. Okay, so that's capped the upside for now. Okay, so if Ethereum wants to push up into this area here, then I would like this green level needs to hold. This green level is very similar to this grey box on Bitcoin, and they'll probably break at the same time, but they all move. The whole crypto market moves in the same time. It's just that some are more volatile than others. That's it. So if this green level breaks and is now resistance, that's just short to 17.20. 23. Okay. I've just deleted the whole chart instead of my lines. So yeah, and yeah, if that green level breaks, then we'll head back down to there. Okay, but first, as I said, I would like to see this one hold and push up to at least here to get this sort of move. Okay, I'd like to see just this to there. Maybe that happens, I don't know, but that's why I'm playing it level to level. So yeah, if this level gets reclaimed, then we'll push up to here. Yeah, and they are $100 moves on Ethereum, so it's not too bad. I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense on Ethereum. Obviously, if these start getting reclaimed, then we push up into there, but this is a way away, so I expect this to cap the upside. So squeeze up to here potentially. You'll probably get something. You've obviously got the push down up into there, wick above, break back below. That's your short. Down to there, and then back down to here. And if that one breaks, then short from there to there. I hope that makes sense. Done it again, deleted the whole chart. Anyway, yeah, I hope that makes sense on Ethereum. Ethereum's got a few more levels right now for me, so yeah. That's Bitcoin and Ethereum. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment if this helped you. Comment if you want the 10k to 100k challenge. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe for the next video and see what happens next. See you later.